Hi guys! Miss Douglas going to show you about color.
Alright, so this week we're going to make our color wheel. When you do that, you might want to find something that's a circle shape that you can trace. I just happen to have a CD, so that's what I'm going to use. Put it in the middle of your paper. You might want to hold it down with one hand, whatever hand you don't write with. And then just trace very lightly the outside. Make sure you get all the way around. Use a pencil when you do this, not a permanent marker. Okay, so there we have a perfect circle. And we're talking about, on our color wheel, we're going to put the primary and the secondary colors. So you would want to use your ruler, if you have one, you should have one. And you're just going to separate this. You could just draw a line going straight across. That's one section, but we need to make 6 sections of this. And then we have another one going diagonal. It's a diagonal line. Just make sure you go through the middle. And then another diagonal line. There we go. So when you color your color wheel, you can use crayons, you can use markers, you can use pencil colors, whatever you want to use. I'm going to just use the crayons. Okay, and I'm going to start, make sure I have all my colors. Yellow. Is that a red?
And those colors are called your primary colors.
Right, these 3 are my primary colors. And so when you color your color wheel with the primary colors, if I put yellow here, I'm coloring all of this. And I forgot to say this, but at this point, you could trace around, you could trace over all of this with your permanent marker. So if this is yellow, I'm going to color it in very neatly. Like I said, you could use your markers if you want to, pencil colors. Okay? When I put my red down, I'm not going to put it right next to the yellow. I'm going to skip a space and put it over here.
You sure color good, Miss Douglas.
Oh, thank you. I'm trying my best. I don't have to color dark. And like I said, it might help me if I were to trace it with the Sharpie first, but that's okay. I can always go back and do that later. I'm just going to fill it in. Keep going the same direction. Okay, and then when I put my blue, and not right next door, nope, skip a space. And what you also could do is just trace over this. That way you can stay inside your lines. You could even do this with the watercolor paper if you wanted to paint using your watercolors.
That would be a great idea.
That's another way to make your color wheel.
So those colors are your primary colors.
Red, yellow, and blue, you can't mix them, you can't make them. But now we're moving on to, make sure I get the right green. Secondary. Orange, green, and what?
Purple! Or violet, I guess.
So if we're making secondary colors, orange, green, and purple, what 2 colors make orange? I think yellow and red make orange, so where should the orange go? Yellow, red, orange, right in between. Like I said, color lightly, you don't have to color dark. Or you could paint. However you want to do it, it's up to you. Okay, there's my orange. What 2 colors make green? You should know this. Yellow and blue. So I'm going to put my green right in between.
She doesn't push very hard, does she?
No, there's no need. You don't want to break your crayons. That would be sad. Okay, last color, purple. Where does it go? Well, there's only one spot left. Red and blue make purple. And there we have it. That's our primary and secondary color wheel. This is all you need to do for this week. Make your color wheel, color it, paint it, upload a photo. And we'll see you back next week, and we'll show you what we're going to do next. All right, bye.